Every minute you chase views, a $5,000 a month AI contract just flew out of your inbox. You're torn between building an AI automation agency and chasing views on a faceless YouTube channel. Global AI market is set to hit $1.81 trillion by 2030, with automation roaring at 37% CAGR. McKinsey research shows 45% of corporate tasks are automatable right now. Goldman Sachs projects the creator economy will skyrocket to $480 billion by 2027. Faceless YouTube channels using AI video tools are grabbing a slice of that growth. Runway Gen 3 slashed production costs by 70%, Luma Dream Machine by 80%. That means high-quality video for a fraction of traditional outsourcing. Gartner warns that by 2026, 80% of enterprises will integrate generative AI APIs. That integration is a direct B2B revenue highway for AAA founders. Zapier and Make.com boast over 3 million users in 2024. This is no-code infrastructure heavyweights powering agency scaling. The choice you make today decides if you ride the B2B gold rush or waste years gambling on fickle ad revenues. Let's break down the economics, scene by scene. Boutique AAAs charge $1,500 to $5,000 per client monthly retainer. Even at $3,000 a month, that's $36,000 a year per client. Contrast that with faceless YouTube RPMs, $15 to $40 in finance or tech niches. Entertainment niches, they struggle at $1 to $4 per thousand views. You need 1 million monthly views at 3 RPM to match one 3K AAA client. That's 30 million views a year for parity with a single contract. And that's before YouTube takes its cut. Meanwhile, AAA revenue flows directly to your bank, no middleman ad auction. Plus, management consultancies like Deloitte charge similar fees for CRM automation. Salesforce acquired Slack for $27 billion. Big players are doubling down on automation. AAA unit economics beat content arbitrage every single time, and your CAC for each AAA client. We'll show you how to slash it. Your next question, how to cut that CAC in half. In the next chapter, we weaponize AI against waste. Brace yourself for cost destruction tactics. SDR-as-a-Service powered by agents like Relevance AI and Lindy.ai cuts CAC by 40%. Data shows traditional human prospecting costs 60% more per lead. That margin difference funds your next hire. Voiceflow chatbots can slash a client's operational costs by 30%. That's how you justify 5-figure setup fees up front. YouTube channels can't charge clients. They chase ad auctions. Platforms like GoHighLevel automate entire marketing funnels for AAA founders. Zapier's apps workflows between 5,000 apps. Make.com visually strings automations. Even non-coders build enterprise-grade solutions in days. Outsourced video once cost $5,000 per month. Now AI video generators democratize high-end production. Luma Dream Machine and Runway Gen 3 are game changers. Their output rivals in-house studios at a fraction of the budget. That freed up capital funds hyper-aggressive client acquisitions. Next, the speed-to-income advantage nobody talks about. AAA founders report 40% hit $5,000 a month within 90 days. Faceless YouTubers average 12 to 18 months to break even. YouTube's 2024 Q1 ad revenue, $8.9 billion. Yet 96.5% of creators don't cross the US poverty line. That's starving founders forced to pivot out of frustration. A AAA's secure retainer checks before you finish your first video. Case study. Agency A landed 3 $3 clients in 60 days. They deployed Lindy.ai for SDR and closed deals over Zoom. Meanwhile, Channel X reinvested ad earnings into new thumbnails. That cycle repeats until your runway evaporates. AAA's subscription model insulates you from ad volatility. Compounded by efficiency budgets, 75% of B2B firms prioritize AI efficiency. Even in downturns, AAAs keep booking clients. Faceless channels must diversify or die. Let's compare scaling paths next. AAAs multiply by replicating workflows on GoHighLevel templates. Zapier automations allow you to onboard new clients in hours. Your team scales with AI, not headcount. Contrast a YouTube studio editing, script writing, thumbnails, all manual. You need more eyes, more hands, more budget. Faceless channels layer on freelancers, driving costs up 50%. A AAA model thrives with efficiency-based AI budgets. 2024, 75% of B2B companies earmark funds for automation projects. Slack's integration into Salesforce is a cautionary tale. Large enterprises like Amazon embed AI APIs in every department. Gartner, 80% of enterprises by 2026. That's millions in annual contracts, not cents per view. AAA upsells CRM expansions. YouTube churn, ad blockers, CPM fluctuations, demonetization. Scaling on shaky foundations kills most creators. 2025 forecast, AI-driven personalization lifts niche channel discovery by 40%. Faceless YouTube will reward data-driven scripts over high-cost aesthetics. Smart channels pivot to YouTube to SaaS models, boosting conversions by 20%. Imagine your channel selling a CRM plugin with 20% higher conversion. But now ask, who owns the revenue stream? Platform or you? AAA's own client relationships, tech stack, and data. YouTube controls the algorithm and your fate. Hyper-specialized agencies are recession-resistant. Creator ad revenue tanks in downturns. Agency M just closed a $50,000 annual deal in April 2024. They used Voiceflow chatbots to pitch automation ROI. Meanwhile, Channel Y saw a 30% CPM drop last quarter. Your choice, foundational B2B contracts or platform-driven ad auctions. One path builds equity, the other builds house money. The question is simple. Will you build the future or watch it pass you by?